Hey everybody, welcome back to Maverick How To. In today's video, we're going to be installing the DRT Motorsports Grill on this Polaris RZR XP1000. This is a 2025, but it works for 2024 and up. So this is the black piece that goes around, and I wanted to try something different, so I went over to Icon Signs in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, and had this powder coated to Orange Madness, which I got the reference. I'm going to include that here in the video. And I thought, let's do something different, make it unique looking. So without further ado here, let's get this installed. So these are the basic tools you need. 6-inch extension, 3/8 ratchet, 10mm socket, number 3 Allen wrench, and this is all the pieces. Now the first thing I'm gonna need to do here is remount all of these little bolts back on and put it all back together. I took it apart there for the powder coating. So before I begin, one of the things I thought was a good idea, let's use some blue thread locker on here. Reason being, I'm never planning on taking this apart again unless I plan on painting it, so I don't want to use anything permanent, but I think it will definitely hold from the vibration of the front getting loose and these bolts rattling out. So I think it's a good idea to throw some Loctite blue on each of these threads. It's a little more time consuming, but I think it's worth it in the long run. Just gotta be careful not to get thread locker on everything here. This is a rag. So one of the things I wanted to note was that DRT Motorsports, when this was sent over, they highly recommended customizing it. They said that'd be really cool to send them some pictures, videos, what I did with it. And I think that's really nice to manufacture a company that, you know, isn't afraid to let you do things to the parts. They encourage it to make it look nice and customize it to the way that you want it. And so this is basically what it looks like. And I think it's pretty cool. It definitely sets the machine out from the way it looks now. And although you could have just left it black and just had it all black, I thought, let's try to accent with, bring all the orange together in the front, something different. And I know, you know, when it becomes yours and you make it yours, it feels, you feel a little more connection to it, so. Okay, we're gonna pop off the OEM grill. We won't be reusing that again. Remove these 2 bolts here. You can use a screw gun if you want, or ratchet, whatever you feel like using. I went with the screw gun, it was a lot faster. Now you're going to pull that piece off just enough to put the bracket, make sure the threads are facing the inside towards the radiator. And you want it to be straight up and down. Then reinstall the bolts. While you're doing that, make sure you're holding that bracket so it doesn't turn. Said you want it vertical. And you're going to repeat the same exact process for the other side. Get your piece in there. Make sure it's vertical. You're going to tighten that back up. I personally prefer to tighten it up using the ratchet. Now we're going to install the new grill. So it's a little tricky to get in there perfect. How you got to find how it sits the whole way around it. And then once that's in place and you push the bottom down and then work the top in, and you're going to run your bolts in, your T-handle, your Allen wrench. And that's the final result right there. Really a fairly simple install for as nice as it makes the machine look. And adds a nice custom finish to it. Special thanks to DRT Motorsports for providing this part for install. They have great customer service, and this product looks beautiful on here. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And the best part is the customization. You know, you can do the outer painted, you can do the inner, whatever you want to do. It's totally customized to your preference. So thank you for watching, everybody. Appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you out on the trail.